11 extremely profitable passive income ideas that make over $25,000 per month. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're new here, welcome, and consider subscribing to my channel and click that little bell notification below. We all wish we'd get enough money without having to work too much, and that's not totally an invalid dream. In fact, there are ways you can get an income without actively doing anything. The passive income methods. Some passive income methods need initiative work or a cost. Some require you to have a specific talent or skill. Some, on the other hand, are entirely passive. Let's see the extremely profitable passive income ideas that can make over $25,000 per month. Wait till the end to learn about them all. Feel free to choose one or more and add them to your income methods. And don't forget to give us more ideas in the comments. Number 11. Dropship with Amazon. Dropshipping is simpler than it sounds. A seller creates a website and sells products that the seller does not keep in stock. So when a buyer places an order, the seller forwards it to a third party, the manufacturer, another retailer, or a wholesaler, who then ships the goods to the buyer directly. Dropshipping with Amazon allows you to make money by purchasing items at a discount from a wholesaler. The difference between the initial item cost and whatever price you sell the item at becomes your profit. You can easily set up an Amazon store and get it ready and running within 24 hours. But you have to do some research and select the best items to sell. My tip is to choose a product that is high in demand but low in competition. Number 10. Network marketing. In simple terms, network marketing is person-to-person sales by an independent representative. You can profit by recommending the company's products to others, using the products yourself, and recruiting others. The best ones for this are the people with strong sales skills. You need to be able to make a small investment and then initiate the chain of sales. Consumer satisfaction is a concept shared by the majority of network marketing companies. You won't run out of business if your customer is happy. Many people are drawn to network marketing because it allows them to be their own boss, set their own hours, and be flexible. Numerous network marketing firms include Mary Kay, doTERRA, Pampered Chef, and Rodan & Fields. Number 9. eBay seller. eBay is an actual marketplace where sellers can list fixed-price items and even open their own store. The average eBay seller makes approximately $35,000 annually, and some top earners can even make up to $70,000 per year. It all depends on how much inventory you can sell, the price of your items, and other additional costs such as shipping materials. To begin, you'll need to create an eBay store. Then you must research the items you intend to sell. You must consider the market price, profit margin, shipping, and packaging. The tip is not to hurry and buy things blindly. Always stick to your research. Number 8. Rent out your home. Real estate investing is one of the most effective wealth-building strategies. The great thing about it is that you don't have to be a millionaire to begin with. One of the most straightforward ways to enter the market is to invest in the versatile world of rental real estate. This could begin right at home. You can easily increase your cash flow by renting out a room or your basement, or turning your garage into an investment goldmine by using a residential property. If you have enough money, investing in real estate may be the next best thing. Buying an investment property, whether it's a commercial property, an apartment building, or a house, is a great strategy to make passive income. Number 7. Rent your car. If you haven't driven your car in a while, think about how much it costs as it sits in your garage. So why not make use of it and earn some extra money? In the same way you can rent your home, you can rent your car. Car rental businesses thrive in both rural and urban areas because businesses and individuals require vehicles for various reasons. Many businesses today require additional vehicles to transport their employees to work. You can look for such businesses and contact them to rent a car. There are more ways. You can only rent your car for special occasions. This is especially useful during the holidays or any other time when you're not driving. Then, rather than getting into individual car rentals, you can join a franchise program to make renting your car secure and genuine. This is an excellent source of income because it's one of the most secure and dependable types of businesses available. Number 6. Advertise with your car. Many of us indeed prefer our vehicles to be spotless, even free of boot fare leaflets tucked under the windscreen wiper and parking tickets. But you might have to let go of that mindset if you're looking for an easy passive income. Actually, car advertising is not a new concept. Companies like Pepsi, Holiday Inn, and others have used it for years. So have an advertisement splashed across your car and earn. Before jumping right into it, there are things you need to know. Car advertising firms want as much exposure as possible, so you may not qualify if you rarely drive or only drive a short distance each day. The company will ask you a series of questions about yourself, your car, and your driving history during the application process. On the other hand, the payment is not always money. Some may offer discounts or other benefits in exchange for advertising, such as free car insurance or servicing, gift cards, and so on. So again, do your research and find the best company for you. Number 5. Take paid online surveys. Have you considered earning while sitting and relaxing on your couch with your phone? Taking paid online survey match the description well. Completing paid surveys online is a simple way to supplement your income. Although survey sites are unlikely to make you rich, many of them do offer real cash, gift cards, and other perks to those who provide insights for their market research initiatives. Companies value your time and efforts and compensate you accordingly. Legitimate companies such as Cash are known for their transparency. They register survey participants on their websites and act as panelists for online surveys. But remember that taking online surveys won't make you rich in a day. Number 4. Start or buy a blog. Blogs are a fantastic source of passive income. However, there is more to making money with a blog than simply posting good content. You can either start a blog or buy one of thousands of blogs that are abandoned by their owners every year. If you can consistently use your blog to provide a lot of value to a lot of people, you can generate a lot of passive income. Whether you put in any extra time or not, your site will start bringing in traffic as you post more and more to your blog. Most blogs use Google AdSense, which provides a monthly revenue stream based on ads placed on the site by Google. For the top 3, you need to have some talent or skill, but once you've done it, continuous income is guaranteed. Number 3. Build an online course or guide. Online learning is the trend today. Online courses are popular among course creators because they can generate new leads for different aspects of their business. You prove your worth better than a proposal, an ad, or a marketing email by sharing your expertise and assisting your leads in achieving a successful outcome before they buy. If you create useful, high-quality resources for your customers or clients, they will return to you when they need assistance in the future. You can create a course on almost any topic. Make several packages with varying price points. As some people want everything, you can include the works for the highest price point and have 2 lower price points to get the most orders. Number 2. Build an app or product you can sell. How about coming up with something entirely yours? Making content apps is the most straightforward way to generate passive income. If you're a photographer, create a wallpaper app and monetize it. You can build an app or create a product to sell if you have a skill or service that you can share with others. Or you can hire someone to develop an app for you. Selling your own products can also be very profitable. Different websites allow you to sell your handmade, custom, and one-of-a-kind items. Number 1. License your music. This one is for exceptionally talented people. Not everyone can make music, but if you can, then why waste it without turning it into a passive income? The first option is to license your music. It means that people and businesses pay you in exchange for the right to use your music in a project. You're compensated each time a buyer purchases a license for your song. Depending on how the buyer intends to use the music, these licensing rights range from less than $10 to $400 or more. So your songs can definitely earn you a 6-figure income. There are 4 paths that musicians can take to create a consistent income stream: exclusive music libraries, non-exclusive music libraries, royalty-free libraries, and directing to music supervisors. If you have the talent, then don't wait.